What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. It's time to cover laptops. I got my MacBook Pro here. I love this MacBook Pro, and this is a 2016 model. What you might have noticed here is I've got this in space gray, and I don't have a cover on it, and that's a little strange for what I normally do. And that's generally just because I really like the look of this sucker, and so I didn't want to molest it or hide it in any way that I didn't need to. But on many occasions you do want some sort of protection, and that's where I found this, and I thought, why not give this little thing a try? This is by JRC right up here, Easy Style. It's a protection decal, effectively made with 3M control tack skin, and brand new. It's not the cheapest. I mean, it's actually kind of priced like some of those PU leather cases, you know, at about 30 bucks or 27 bucks or something like that. Found it on Amazon. Oh, got some more stuff in there. And the interesting thing about it, though, is that they print the material, microfiber case here, cleaning white, oh, and then instructions, and installation auxiliary tools, which I think is maybe just like a squeegee or something because it's flat. But they print them in the same colors that the Apple laptops come in. And so I got this one in space gray. You know, you can get it in the gold or the rose gold. Instructions in here too on aligning. And I was really curious, are they like it? So what you can see here, looks like the Apple is cut out here, so it'll shine, or not, because the logos aren't illuminated on these. You'll get that glossy black Apple logo peeking through there. This is obviously the top cover, and then on the bottom we have little cutouts for the little rubber feet. And so you do get the top and the bottom, but not only do you get the top and the bottom, you should also get the keyboard cover, really thin cuts around here on the speakers. This piece I didn't really care so much about. You also get a cutout here for your trackpad, and again, that'll fit right in here. So you can really cover this thing up thoroughly if you want. And then, oh, here it is. You also get a JRC screen protector. Can you see me? So you get that too. And that also I didn't really care that much about. So it was really, sadly, only about protecting the outside, which it's all most cases protect anyway. All right. Now, before we install this, and I'm gonna time lapse that for you so you're not sitting through it watching me fumble with it, I do want to do a quick little color comparison here because I really like the look and the color here, and if it can look like it's naked but still has some protection, I think I'm going to be impressed with that. I will say it's pretty close. It is definitely pretty close. Because it's a, you know, a skin or a decal or vinyl, I'm assuming, it doesn't quite have the shine. There's just a little bit of that like aluminum shine that it can't replicate. And I would say that while it's very close to the space gray, it's maybe just has a little purple shift as opposed to a gray shift. It's probably not going to be super easy to see here on camera, maybe even where the logo's cut out there a little bit. It is pretty close. I will give them that. And then if I move it over and basically you're hiding all of that original space gray, I don't think you'll really notice, right? All right, let's get this thing installed. All right, guys, so I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed with my application skills here because I really expected this to be a lot worse, and it was pretty easy. And if I can do it, you definitely can do it. So first of all, you know, at a first glance, if I show it to you like this, you know, you probably don't know that it's anything other than a space gray MacBook Pro. But I've got the protectors on the front and the back here, and I think they look pretty good, and especially if your MacBook has a little bit of age on it. So like on the bottom here I have some scratches, some scuffs and things like that, but now it looks brand new. My hands are all sweaty, I guess. So it does show kind of doesn't show fingerprints, but it kind of shows my hand sweat. On the front here, again, because pretty much everything else is covered up, you know, you'd only be able to compare it to that original bead blasted aluminum on the sides here, and it's pretty subtle. I mean, it really does look good. And the nice thing about this is if you scratch it, you're putting it in a bag or something a lot with car keys or other materials, you know, books, iPads, other electronics, cords, you don't really have to worry about kind of it getting scratched up and looking at it. You can peel this sucker off and put on something new. A couple of things and tips when you're applying it. So as you saw there, I kind of pulled away the top edge of the backing, aligned it. They kind of say that there's going to be a millimeter of gap. It is probably not even that much around the edges. So you're going to really want to make sure it's really aligned. And then once I got it kind of in place, really close to the edges on the sides and up here, then I kind of applied it. You know, I pressed down and kind of anchored it right there. And then I worked it, as you might have seen here. I was kind of unrolling the vinyl, pulling off the backing as I was smoothing it out in the middle. Now, I'm a real middle out compression kind of guy. So I was really trying to like even it out here. And then once I got it completely down, I kind of flattened it and applied the decal on the middle. And then I went on the very end and pushed out the corners. Even on some corners, I lift them up a little bit to give them that edge, and I think that worked out great. And just again, the same thing on the back side here, just was you kind of flattening it out and applying in the middle. I do have a little bit of an air bubble right there, but the nice thing is if you kind of work in the middle and push it out, you just don't get those air bubbles like you do when you put it on and try to apply it all over evenly. So it's just my advice. Whether you're applying this or something to your car, same deal. I've done it both ways. So pretty awesome, man. This Easy Style decal, 3M decal, I think is great. And again, you don't add any noticeable, any real weight or thickness to your already slim MacBook. So check it out. I'm glad I discovered this thing. JRC, I'll put a link to the description. Peter from Panda. Out!